Ready? Start. The Commission contends that the manner of conducting examination by the Commission, even in regard to recruitment to judicial service, is governed by the Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission rules 1976 made by the Commission in exercise of the power conferred by the UP State Public Service Commission Act 1974 full stop. Rule 26 provides for preparation of a panel of examiners or constitution of a committee for the purpose of holding examination in each subject full stop. Rule 28 provides that the question papers set by the examiner shall be placed before the commission to ensure conformity with the required standard of examination, and the commission may moderate the question papers or constitute a committee to perform the work of moderation full stop. Rule 30 provides for advertisement of vacancies for which selections are to be made and scrutiny of application received full stop. Rule 33 provides for the determination of place, dates and time of examination and the centers for examination full stop. Rule 34 provides for the list of persons suitable to be appointed as invigilators and appointment of invigilators full stop. Rule 37 provides for fictitious roll number to be allotted to each candidate before the answer books are dispatched to the examiners for assessment full stop. Rule 38 provides that the number of answer books to be sent to each examiner shall be fixed by the commission full stop para. Rule 44 requires the secretary of the commission to take steps for tabulation of marks obtained by each candidate as soon as the answer scripts are received, after valuation and removal of discrepancies and corrections full stop. Rule 45 provides for random checking of the tabulation to ensure correctness and accuracy of tabulation full stop. Rule 47 provides that the original roll numbers of candidates shall thereafter be restored to the answer scripts and for issue of interview letters full stop. Rule 49 authorizes the commission to decide the number of candidates to be called for interview to appear before a board on any day full stop. Rule 50 provides that the interview marks awarded shall be kept in safe custody full stop. Rule 51 provides that mark sheets shall be opened on the last day of interview and immediately thereafter the marks of interview personality test shall be added to the marks obtained by the candidates in the written examination, and thereafter on the basis of the total so obtained the merit list shall be prepared and placed before the commission for final declaration of the result full stop. It is no doubt true that judicial service rules govern the recruitment to judicial service having been made in exercise of power under Article 234 in Constitution with both the Commission and the High Court full stop. It also provides what examinations should be conducted and the maximum marks for each subject in the examination full stop, but the judicial service rules entrust the function of conducting examinations to the commission full stop. The judicial service rules do not prescribe the manner and procedure for holding the examination and evaluation of answer scripts and award of the final marks and declaration of the results. Therefore, it is for the commission to regulate the manner in which it will conduct the examination full stop.